Let's get real for a minute. We all have moments where we wonder why we're not further ahead, why our dreams seem stuck on pause while life keeps moving forward. It's a feeling almost everyone experiences at some point. Everyone wants financial freedom, nice cars, big houses, the ability to travel, and most importantly, the peace of mind that comes from not worrying about bills or unexpected expenses. We see these things everywhere, and it's easy to imagine ourselves living that life. But here's the truth, wishing and hoping won't get you there. Daydreams are comforting, but they don't move you forward. You can spend years imagining a better life, but unless you take action, nothing changes. Most people talk about their dreams but never act on them. It's easy to get caught up in conversations about what you want to do someday, but talk alone doesn't build anything real. One day isn't a date on the calendar, it's just a way to delay action, to keep your dreams safely out of reach so you never have to risk failing. Action is the missing ingredient. It's the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Without it, your dreams stay dreams. You can't win the lottery if you never buy a ticket. In life, you can't expect results if you never take a chance or put yourself out there. Hard work matters, but it's not enough if your mindset is broken. You can grind for years, but if you don't believe in your own potential, you'll keep hitting the same walls. You can work yourself to exhaustion and still get nowhere if you don't believe you can win. Self-doubt is like an anchor, holding you back no matter how hard you row. Mindset is the real game changer. It's the foundation for every action you take and every risk you're willing to try. It's not just about grinding, it's about how you think about money, success, and yourself. Your beliefs shape your habits, and your habits shape your results. You can work 80 hours a week and stay broke, or you can work smart and see your life change. It's not about how many hours you put in, but about the direction you're heading. Your beliefs shape your results. If you believe you're capable, you'll find ways to make things happen. If you doubt yourself, you'll find excuses. Mindset is the compass that guides your effort. It keeps you moving forward, even when the path isn't clear. If you want real financial freedom, you have to fix your thinking first. Change starts in your mind before it ever shows up in your bank account. Stop sitting on the sidelines, get in the game. The only way to win is to play, even if you're scared or unsure. Be willing to do the uncomfortable things. Growth happens outside your comfort zone, and every step forward builds your confidence. Your dream needs fuel, and that fuel is action. Every small step counts, and momentum builds with every move you make. Let's start by changing how you think, because when you shift your mindset, you unlock the door to everything you want. Mindset is everything when it comes to wealth. The real difference between the rich and everyone else? It's how they think. Poor people focus on scarcity, what they lack, what's missing. Wealthy people focus on abundance, opportunities, solutions, growth. They see money as a tool, not just something to spend. They're not afraid to take calculated risks because they believe in learning and adapting. It's not about being born lucky, it's about upgrading your mental software. True wealth starts inside. Your mindset, your financial intelligence, your discipline. The rich invest in their thinking, not just their appearance. If you want to change your life, you have to change your internal programming. Work on your mindset first and the rest will follow. That's where transformation begins. The best investment you'll ever make isn't in stocks or real estate, it's in yourself. Your mind, your skills, your knowledge are your greatest assets. The wealthy are lifelong learners. They read, take courses, seek mentors. The more you learn, the more you can earn. Don't waste money on things that lose value. Invest in what makes you more valuable. Our schools rarely teach financial literacy, so you have to seek it out yourself. Self-education is crucial. Your real learning starts after graduation. Take responsibility for your financial education. The information is out there, but you need the hunger to pursue it. Invest in your mind, and your mind will fill your pockets. Don't wait for someone to hand you the keys. Go get them. Your future self will thank you. Giving someone money helps for a day. Giving them knowledge helps for a lifetime. Money can solve immediate problems, but knowledge empowers people to solve their own problems, again and again, for years to come. When you teach someone a skill, you're giving them a tool they can use forever. That's the power of learning. Skills and wisdom can't be taken from you. Unlike material possessions, what you know stays with you, growing and evolving as you do. Every book you read, every lesson you absorb adds to your personal wealth. The wealthy focus on acquiring specialized knowledge that solves real problems. They invest in learning things that make a difference, skills that are in demand, that help others, and that create value in the world. Want to build wealth? Master a few key skills: marketing, financial literacy, investing, and basic law. These are the foundations that open doors and create opportunities no matter your background. If you can't market yourself or your product, you're invisible. The ability to communicate your value is essential in today's world, whether you're looking for a job, starting a business, or building your brand. If you don't understand money, you can't control it. Financial literacy gives you the power to make smart decisions, avoid debt, and grow your resources over time. You don't need to be an expert overnight, just start learning. Progress comes from consistent effort, not perfection. Every small step adds up. Pick one area and begin. Focus on a single skill or subject and commit to learning a little each day. Over time, your knowledge will compound. Knowledge is leverage. It multiplies your opportunities. The more you know, the more doors you can open, and the more solutions you can create for yourself and others. Skills are assets that appreciate over time. As you learn and grow, your value increases, not just in your career but in every area of life. Don't get overwhelmed, just take the first step. Empower yourself through education. Every journey begins with a single action, and your future self will thank you for starting today. The more you know, the more you can do. Knowledge expands your possibilities, giving you the confidence to try new things and adapt to change. Real wealth is built on what's in your head, not just your wallet. Your ideas, skills, and understanding are what truly set you apart and create lasting success. Start building your knowledge base now. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see the benefits. So take action today and invest in yourself for a lifetime. Maybe you're starting from scratch. No rich relatives, no pile of cash, and no one handing you a golden ticket. It might feel overwhelming, but remember, you're not alone in this journey. Many of the world's most successful and wealthy people began with absolutely nothing. They didn't inherit their fortunes, they built them, step by step, often facing setbacks and doubts along the way. They built their success by creating real value for others and learning how to sell their ideas, products, or services. They weren't born experts, they became experts through practice, persistence, and a willingness to learn. So ask yourself, what are you good at? What skills or talents do you have that others might need or appreciate? What problems can you solve for people around you, in your community, or even online? Every business starts with a solution to a problem, big or small. There's always something you can offer, even if it seems simple or ordinary to you. Your unique perspective and abilities matter. You don't need a fancy office or a big team to get started. Begin small, start from your kitchen table, your bedroom, or even your garage. Start from home, start online, start wherever you are. The internet has made it easier than ever to reach customers all over the world. You can connect, sell, and grow your business from anywhere with just a laptop and an idea. The two most important skills you'll need on this journey: sales and self-confidence. These are the foundation of every successful entrepreneur. Selling isn't about being pushy or aggressive. It's about truly understanding people's needs and offering real solutions that make their lives better. Believe in what you offer, and let your enthusiasm shine through. When you're confident, your energy becomes contagious. Self-confidence is the fuel that keeps you moving forward, even when things get tough. You have to believe in yourself before anyone else will. That belief is what will carry you through the hard days and help you bounce back from setbacks. There will always be doubters, critics, and tough days. Your belief in yourself has to be stronger than any negativity you encounter. Cultivate that inner voice that says, "I can figure this out, I can keep going." Remind yourself daily that you are capable of learning, growing, and overcoming obstacles. Sales and self-confidence go hand in hand. Don't underestimate your abilities or the value you bring to the table. Every step forward counts. Start where you are with what you have and take that first step. Progress is more important than perfection. Your story can start today. The first chapter is waiting for you to write it. So take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and begin. The road to financial freedom isn't smooth. Expect bumps, detours, and rejection. Rejection isn't failure, it's feedback. Learn from it and keep moving. The successful manage their ego. They don't let setbacks define them. Surround yourself with people who are ahead of you. Mentors, winners, optimists. If you're the smartest in your circle, find a new one. Learn from those who inspire and challenge you. Avoid the dream killers and naysayers. They'll drain your energy and fill you with doubt. Protect your mindset ruthlessly. Your environment shapes your thinking and actions. Choose your circle wisely. Seek out wisdom, encouragement, and accountability. Cut out negativity wherever you find it. Your support system can accelerate your progress. Stay focused on your goals. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher. We've covered a lot: mindset, action, learning, selling, resilience, and your circle. But knowledge without action is just entertainment. Real change happens when you do something with what you've learned. Don't try to change everything overnight. Pick 1 or 2 insights that hit home. Maybe it's investing in a book, starting a side hustle, or learning a new skill. Take action today, not tomorrow. Make one small move. Send an email, sign up for a course, write down your idea. That first step builds momentum. Anyone can change their future by changing their thoughts and actions. Your past doesn't define you, your decisions do. The perfect time is now. The power is in your hands. Take that one step and start building the future you deserve. I believe in you. Now it's your turn to believe in yourself. Go get it.